Alright guys, I know it's been forever and I haven't recorded or spoiled in a while, but I'm back. I'm on my bike this time. So Hurricane Ian just hit, so a lot of places are gone. And we're gonna start this place off with the Roadrunners Express car wash. It's the customer lobby. It's kind of destroyed from Hurricane Ian, but as you can see there's still cameras and they are working. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in. If this doesn't work, then we're just gonna call it quits here. But I'm gonna try and slide in here. I'm gonna try and slide in now. We're in the actual car wash part. I know you guys can't really see, so I'm gonna get my flashlight out. Where is it? Give me a second. Oh, wrong pocket. Also wrong pocket. There we go, I got it. So we're in now. Like I said, that's how we got in right there, but I don't know if you could get in the main lobby from in here, but as you guys can see, we're in. Oh wait, you can get in through there, yeah. So, yeah. See, it's all destroyed from the hurricane. Hot water and underbody. This is like a little electrical room. I don't want to mess with any of this because, as you guys can tell, power is still on. Yeah, this is where they'd everything is really left behind. That's crazy. This is where they would check people in and tell them what to do, and you guys know how a car wash works. But wow, it's crazy. Everything's still in here. Yep. Wow. It's sad to see places like this go, honestly. Really sad, because this was an actual very nice place too. Me and my mom went here once, and it's crazy to see that it's now abandoned. So we're gonna leave this part and see if we can get to a different section. Let me get pictures first, if I can. So yeah, that's all I need. All right. We're gonna leave this part and we're gonna head into a different section of the building. Well, we're gonna try to, if it's unlocked. Hard to climb through, but taking it back to the OG days with the bicycle. I haven't rode my bike to a place in forever. So, oh, here, yep, down here is where they would do the vacuums. Please respect others' wishes. Yep. See, the lights are still on, so it's kind of eerie, I'm not gonna lie. But basically, what I heard was that this place closed during COVID. I'm not too sure about it though, I have no clue. But that's all that I heard. That it closed from COVID, which kind of sucks. But yeah, Hopefully they could bring it back. I'm hoping they can. I think I saw a for sale sign. What is this? Oh, that's nothing. But I think I saw a for sale sign somewhere on the property. I don't remember where. But hopefully I can get this place back and working. That would be good. See, they have their toolbox here. Is there anything in it? Oh, it's all slimy. Yep, see, they have their toolbox. Can I close it? Yeah. Yeah, Hurricane Ian just hit, so you guys can kind of see some of the aftermath from it. Really bad. Some of the letters from the sign, the billboard out front. Yeah, that's all boarded up. But I mean, you guys can kind of see in. I wish I could go in. Here, I want to see if the front is unlocked. I'm right on 41 too, so if the cop stops, then I'm done for. Let's see, this is okay. That's locked, but you guys can kind of see the old Pepsi back there, the old vending machines back there. That'd be like the cash register. People would wait right there with their seats or whatever. But wow, yeah, this place is really. It is really bad. I wonder if it goes like up there. I don't know. But we're gonna walk back now. I don't want to be out front for too long. Yeah, I think it does go upstairs somewhere. And that'd be awesome if we could get up there, because that'd be pretty cool to be walking throughout the car wash and stuff. But unfortunately we can't, because I don't want to break in. So yeah, I'm gonna walk around that side, see if there's another way in. I doubt it. That'd be the only way in, but I'd have to break that, and I'm not breaking that. Oh yeah, there's no way in from there. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Oh wait, should I test this? Yeah, it's locked. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. Sorry for the short video, but